If Discord keeps showing a stream error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 simple fixes that can usually get your screen sharing or streaming working again. We'll go step by step, starting with Discord settings, then moving into capture options, administrator mode, and finally clearing the cache. This is a great troubleshooting guide if your stream won't start, keeps crashing, or just refuses to capture your screen properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Discord fixes and helpful tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to toggle hardware acceleration. Open Discord and look in the bottom left corner for the gear icon, which opens user settings. Click that and then scroll down until you find the app settings section. From there, click advanced. In this menu, you should see the hardware acceleration option. If it's turned on, switch it off. Discord will usually ask you to restart the app, so click OK and let it relaunch. This fix works because hardware acceleration can sometimes conflict with your graphics settings and cause stream errors or display issues. Once Discord opens back up, test your stream again. If the problem is still there, don't worry because the next fix is just as important. Go back into user settings and this time click voice and video. Scroll down until you reach the screen share section. Here, you'll find an option that says use our advanced technology to capture your screen. Toggle that setting off. Then restart Discord again and try streaming one more time. In many cases, this capture method can cause compatibility problems, so switching it off can immediately resolve the issue. If that still doesn't solve it, the next step is to run Discord as an administrator. First, fully close Discord. Make sure it isn't just minimized to the system tray, and if needed, open Task Manager and end the Discord process completely. After that, go to your desktop, right-click the Discord shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. When Discord opens with elevated permissions, try starting your stream again. Running as administrator can help Discord access the system resources it needs, especially if there are permission conflicts blocking the stream. Now for the 4th fix, which clears out corrupted temporary files that may be causing the error. Press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. This will open the App Data Roaming folder. Find the Discord folder and open it. Inside, look for the folders named Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache. Delete all 3 of those folders, then close the window and restart Discord. Clearing these cache folders forces Discord to rebuild fresh temporary files, which often fixes glitches, stream errors, and weird performance issues. After you've gone through these steps, your Discord stream should have a much better chance of working normally again. Usually, one of these fixes does the trick, and if not, it still gives you a strong troubleshooting foundation before moving on to deeper system checks. The key is to try the fixes in order, restart Discord after each major change, and test your stream each time so you know exactly which solution worked. If this tutorial helped you fix your Discord stream error, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, app fixes, and troubleshooting guides. It really helps the channel grow and I appreciate it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.